Welcome to the 151st midweek wrap only on Yarra Rangers Life TV, the only local news, weather and events program, of course, for the Yarra Valley and the Greater Dandenong Rangers. And we're here this week from Black Snake Productions, helping these guys who are on a mission to raise some funds for some of their beautiful animals. Just like I've got Lexi the Corella on my shoulder here, and Big Boy, also known as Roger, who's a dingo pup. Yes. But of course, this week I'm flying solo, except for these guys. I don't have Karina with me. But what have we been up to this week? Well, on Saturday, we went and visited our friends at Kindred Warrior Yoga, shared with you their awesome special that they've got happening for introductory offers for new members. Only $25 for 2 weeks of unlimited sessions. And we also had a chat to our friends at... we went and saw Alex at the Yarra Valley Smokery. Sorry, Lexi. This one's going a little bit unsettled. I'm going to have to cut back to that one. We also saw Alex, our Yarra Valley Smokery. They've got some fantastic dinner packs on Fridays and Saturdays that we were helping those guys to promote, of course. And there was no Valley vibes this week. But stick around. I'm going to put these guys down and come back to you more with some latest local news headlines. Cheers. During the latest Stage 3 restrictions and lockdown, just a reminder of the Parks Victoria closures in our area. Warburton's Redwood Forest and Mount Donna Duang from the Rainforest Car Park, and the 1,000 steps in Ferntree Gully, they'll all remain closed until August the 19th. Now, do you know this man? Police would like to speak to this male who may be able to assist them with their inquiries regarding the use of a credit card which was reportedly lost or stolen on June the 23rd in the Ferntree Gully area. If you have any info or know the gent, please call Constable Griffiths at Belgrave Police Station on 9754 6677. And a reminder from Eastern Regional Libraries, in line with the latest restrictions, all branches have closed until further notice. However, you can still borrow books, DVDs, CDs, etc. and have them delivered to your home. How good is that? For more info, go to yourlibrary.com.au. And congratulations to local musician James Mark, who played for us at the Grand Hotel in Healesville not too long ago. James won Eastern FM's monthly radio competition for June. Bendigo Bank sponsored the competition and the monthly winner receives an oversized cheque for $500. To listen to July's entries and vote, check out the Radio Eastern FM website or follow the link in this particular post. And of course, a friendly reminder, if you haven't heard, of course, schools after this extended week of holidays will resume from home, of course. So we're going back to homeschooling from prep through to year 10. Stay tuned for all the latest coronavirus information. Go to dhhs.vic.gov.au/coronavirus. Of course, another place that we came to over the weekend, we came to Black Snake Productions, of course, here, helping these guys raise additional funds so they can feed their animals and, of course, pay their bills during coronavirus restrictions, which have taken a massive hit. You can imagine all the different events and things that have been cancelled. That's their livelihood and their bread and butter that they rely on to feed over 300 animals, of course. And I've got Lexi here, who's a beautiful python, I believe she was, a rough-backed python? Rough-scale python, there you go. All part of the animals here that the crew use to educate the kids out there in animal snake safety and the rest. So if you can, please give to their Facebook fundraiser. And before we go this week, just another friendly reminder, of course, as per the Chief Health Officer's recommendations. If you are out and about in the valley and the ranges doing your essential shopping, and you cannot maintain your 1.5 metre social distancing, we do encourage you, of course, for you, for me, for everybody, please wear a mask when out and about in the public. You never know what you're going to bring home to you and your family and your loved ones. And yeah, we hope that you guys, of course, stay safe during this latest round of coronavirus restrictions. But for more information, as I mentioned before, keep your eye out on the DHS website, dhhs.vic.gov.au/coronavirus. And a quick one before we go, if you want to promote your local business to a hyper-local audience, don't forget we've got our special local business saver. We can come out and do a live broadcast to our audience and beyond, of course, for only $250. Dirt cheap value and saving you over $140 to get the team from Yarra Rangers Live TV to do an advertorial just for you. But for now, let's bring it to a close. Next week, Karina Stone, our very own Karina Stone, should be back, of course. Big thanks to Danny Field, the man behind the camera doing the awesome work there with all the filming and the editing. I'm Pat Boucher, and this is, I've forgotten her name, Kimberley, that's right, Kimberley, here from Black Snake Productions. As always, we're living, we're loving, and we're sharing life in the valley and the ranges, only on Yarra Rangers Live TV. Thanks for watching.